In this video, I'm going to be philosophizing on just facts. Just facts concerns the justice and fairness within not just the facts one is meaningfully communicating on, more some the fairness in evaluation and or elaboration within those facts to communicate only the meaningful intrinsic processes and or intrinsic properties concerned with the direction in association with positive and or negative causa-efeito dinâmico associações in terms of the positive and or negative direction of effect. The direction of desired meaningful effect can be inferred from existing prior knowledge, elaborative of the directions of effect concerned with positive and or negative relationships, be it positive, two variables connected together. If one increases, the other will increase in terms of distinct characteristics communicating the intrinsic processes and or intrinsic properties. In contrast to negative relationships, if one variable increases, the other variable decreases, always concerned with the independent variable. A change in the independent variable will cause a change in the dependent variable. What meaningfully describes the independent variable as the independent variable is this, meaning that the changes in the independent variable do not depend as the dependent variable on the transformations in the dependent variable, having no meaningful effect on the independent variable. Inferences can infer a tertiary variable x, in terms of the conducts within the calculations. One is engaged in thought processes to cultivate more just facts from the communications done in terms of more fair quantifications within the inferences into qualities to be able to communicate the more objective, functional, and meaningful properties within the intrinsic properties amongst intrinsic processes to infer objective, functional, and meaningful processes more dynamic from the properties harder to be able to infer, yet once inferred can infer even more complex patterns within the processes. One is more concerned with often meaningfully communicating on just facts to infer more fairer conducts within the objectivity within one's communications. That's all I want to say for this video. Hope you have an awesome one.